is today? Of course, Rakshika. It's Founders Day. The day we remember the person who started our school. Yes, he is Thiru J. Daniel Hr. He had a great dream to give children the best and the educational, the good values. That's true. Can you tell more about our founder and his biography? Sure. We, the students of class 3A, are going to present a tribute in the memory of our beloved founder, Thiru J. Daniel Hr. This day reminds us our great founder Hr, whose vision and hard work gave birth to our wonderful school. Mr. J. Daniel was an educationist and social worker. Born in Tirunelveli in 1928, he is widely known for his contributions to the field of education.
Thiru J. Daniel Hr was born on 30th October 1928 in Mudumuttu Moli in Tirunelveli district. His parents were Thiru Jyoti Prakasam and Ponnamal Jyoti Prakash.
Started his career as a teacher in a small school in Tirunelveli. He came to Chennai in 1957 and expanded his educational work. Initially, he established the Daniel Thomas Matric Hr at Arumbakkam with 100 students and 3 teachers in 1958. He established a total of 12 educational institutions in Chennai and Tirunelveli district and served in education. He taught free education to poor and underprivileged children. He used to gather students in his home in the evenings and teach them. He used to go on a bicycle and found underprivileged children and helped them to study well. He is described as a man of great disciplinary virtue and perseverance. He is known to be simple and punctual. He gave priority to the call of Jesus Christ and began many activities with prayer. His tireless effort has produced many professionals in their field. Many of them have participated in school events and expressed their gratitude to Daniel Hr. The school he provided is a place where children could learn with joy, respect and confidence. His life was filled with dedication, simplicity and love for education.
Today, as we celebrate Founders Day, we express our heartfelt gratitude to Thiru J. Daniel Hr for his dream, his sacrifice, and his commitment that has made us what it is today.
Talk less, work more was his password for success. Not only that, do you know what is our school motto? Yes, of course. Prayer brings victory. Under his guidance, our school has grown in strength, spirit, and success. His vision continues to guide teachers and students every day, reminding us that true education means shaping lives, not just filling minds. spreading knowledge, discipline, and respect to all. His life and values will always inspire us to learn with purpose, live with kindness, and lead with integrity. Happy Founders Day to all. Thank you. Adarsh, the name of our founder is a symbol of excellence, compassion, and visionary leadership, representing a legacy of transforming lives through education. J. Judicious. Our founder is wise and discerning, making informed decisions that benefit the educational community. He carefully considers different perspectives and options. E. Enthusiastic. Our founder is passionate about learning and teaching, inspiring others with entertainment. He believes that the education should be entertainment and fun.
Yes, supportive. Our founder is a supportive mentor, always willing to lend helping hand to students and teachers alike. He fosters a sense of community and collaboration in the educational setting.
P. Pioneering. Our founder is a trailblazer in education, always looking for innovative ways to improve teaching and learning. He is not afraid to challenge the status quo and try new approaches. H. Humanitarian. Our founder's humanitarian efforts focus on empowering marginalized groups through knowledge. Through his selfless work dedicated to serving the community with a heart full of empathy, he strives to make education accessible to all. E. Empowering. Our founder empowers students to take ownership of their learning, building their confidence and self-esteem. He believes in the potential of every individual to succeed. Or resourceful. Our founder is a creative problem solver, finding innovative solutions to educational challenges. He is skilled and utilizing resources to support learning and teaching. A. Ambitious. Our founder is driven to succeed and always strives for in education. He is not afraid to set high goals and push boundaries to achieve them. N. Nurturing. Our founder is a nurturer of young minds, providing a supportive and caring environment for students to grow. He recognizes the importance of emotional intelligence and well-being. I. Innovative. Our founder is a creative thinker, always looking for new and better ways to teach and learn. He is not afraid to think outside the box and try new approaches. E. Engaging. Our founder is a masterful educator, able to engage students and make learning fun and interactive. He believes that education should be a positive and enjoyable experience. A. Long-lasting. Our founder believes that learning is a lifelong journey, encouraging students to love and learn. He models a growth mindset and passion for continuous learning.
Thank you, Council team.